Hello everyone. In continuation to previous videos which we have discussed about number patterns, quick maths, I'll take one more problem which is related to puzzle, number puzzle. Okay. Here, if you observe, there is a block given. In this block, there is some relation. Okay. In the last series, we have the number 8, 10, 12, and opposite of these two blocks there is one block, and that has given the value of 13, and here blank value, here 19, and here the same way, here this block also in front of these two blocks. So the here the logic is that this block is the sum of the below two blocks. Okay, so now we need to fill the complete series. Okay, how will we solve? Simple method. This kind of problems will help for kids to gain more logical thinking in numbers. Okay, here as I discussed earlier just now, like this block is the sum of the opposite two blocks. So here the value is given as what? 13. So what is when you subtract 13 from 8, it should be 5. The answer is 5. Okay, and similar way we need to find this value. So already we have 10. When we add 9 to 10, it will give the value of 19. Okay, so now you can find this value, because again this block is opposite to this block and this block, so we need to sum this one. 8 plus 9 is what? It is 17. Okay, and what is the leftover? Leftover is this one in the second row. Okay, 10 plus 12, that is 22. So now it is easiest way to complete the rest of the blocks, because we have gained the values for this complete second row. Now it should be the sum of these only, because this block is opposite to this and this. What, when you add 13 plus 17, what is the value? It is 30. When you add 17 and 19, what is the value? It is 36. When you add 19 and 22, what is the value? 21 plus 20, that is 41. Similar way, again you can fill this second row also. Okay, 30 plus 36, because this block is opposite to these two blocks. 66. And here 36 plus 41. So 37 plus 40, that is 77. Okay. And finally this value, 66 plus 77. Okay, just add 66 plus 77. 13 plus 1, that is 14. 143. Okay, so this is the logic you have to apply, because the condition was given this block is opposite to the adjacent block, so this value should be sum of these below numbers. Similar way, you have applied the logic from the base row, then you find this row, and you find the remaining numbers in this particular row, and this row, and finally this value. This is the way you can solve this problem. Now we'll discuss one more topic, that is face value of number. This kind of questions will come in many competitive exams. Okay, like 6, 7, 8, 9, 5. If someone asks what is the face value of number, face value of a number is always the number itself. That is a standalone logic. Okay, face value of any number is the number itself. Okay, it is not related to place. It is the face value. Now we'll discuss one more important topic, that is the place value of any number. Okay, this is most important. Okay, here I have taken example of a number that is 11,235. Here, if I want to find the place value of 5, okay, because it is at units position, so the place value of 5 is 5 into 1, that is 5. Similarly, what is the place value of 3? It is at tens position. This is units, this is tens position, so it should be 3 into 10, that is 30. What is the next number? 2. This is hundreds position. Okay, So what is the place value of 2? 2 into 100, that is 200. Next what? 1. It is at 1000 place. Okay. Then what is the place value of 1? That is 1 into 1000. So the place value of 1 is 1000. What is the place value of this last number? That is at 10,000 position. Okay. 10,000 position. So 1 into 10,000. So always the place value is multiplication of the phase value into their position of the number. Position of the number, it's made like units, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakhs, crores, like that. Okay. This is the way you'll find the place value of number. These concepts looks like small, but these kind of concepts will be helpful to the kids when they appear any type of competitive exams. This will be very helpful. Just change the numbers and give different numbers to your kids and ask them to find the values. So that is the way it will be helpful to improve their logical thinking. Thank you.